Okay, so the next one I put on here on your sheet on page 3 should still say, now you're going to flip a coin twice, okay, in a row. So what are the probability of getting the same thing, like if I was going to get a heads or a tails, okay? So the possibility of getting a heads on the first roll would be 1 out of 2, right? And then 1 out of 2 again. So how many same could you get? This is number 1. This is number 2 flip. Well, you got 1, 2. So it'd be 2 fourths or 1 half. Okay? Or 50%. Okay, if you want to have percentages involved. Okay, so this could also be 50%. Now, what are the odds of getting both tails? Well, that's just the same thing. It's the same type of question. Okay? It's just actually telling you you're looking for tails this time instead of saying the same. Okay? So if they're both tails, it would be 2 fourths again, because you get tails there, or 1 half, or 50%, whichever way you want to write it. At least 1 heads. Okay? So if I'm going to get at least 1 head, okay? So I have a possibility of getting a head here, and then that means 2, 1 out of 2. And then I have a possibility of getting a head here, okay? So I technically could get it, same thing, 50%, okay? At least 1 head. Doesn't mean I'm necessarily going to get that, but at least 1 head. It would be head, so that'd be, I would once again, 2 fourths, okay? If I determine that I got a tails here to start with, my percentages would go down.